Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 10 of history, that is rise of small kingdoms in North India. In last chapter I told you that there are three parts of history, that is ancient period, medieval period and modern period. And in ancient period Harshvardhan was the last greatest ruler, and after his death, the whole empire disintegrated into many small kingdoms. Why disintegrated? Because there was lack of proper administration by his weak successor. It means after Harshvardhan, the successor which came, they all were very weak. They can't hold the administration. That's why his empire was disintegrated into many small kingdoms. So this period was the period of political instability in North India. That's why three powerful kingdoms arose between 750 CE and 1000 CE, and this period is known as Age of Three Empires because three major powerful kingdoms arose between this period, and the name of these three empires were: first one is Rashtrakuta, second is Palas, and third is Pratiharas. Now I will show you a map. This is the map of three great empires, that is Rashtrakutas, Pala and Pratiharas. Look at the map. In pink color you can see the empire of Rashtrakutas. In purple color you can see the empire of Palas, and in green color there were the rule of Gurjara Pratiharas. Now I will tell you the states where they established their kingdom. The Rashtrakutas took over the control in northern part of Deccan. It means the color filled in this map where Rashtrakuta is written, this is the northern part of Deccan. And look at Palas, they control in eastern India, Bengal and Bihar region, and Pratiharas in Avanti, or you can say southern Rajasthan and Gujarat. So there were three main kingdoms between the period of 750 and 1000 CE, and they were Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratiharas. We will discuss one by one about these kingdoms in detail. Today we will discuss about the Rashtrakutas. In this map you can see this pink color. This is the empire of Rashtrakutas. This is the particular map of empire of Rashtrakutas. Now, Rashtrakutas were most powerful in northern Deccan in 753 CE. They were the masters of large area of present Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Karnataka. And the main ruler, or you can say founder ruler of Rashtrakuta Empire was King Danti Durg, and they maintained a huge army, and they also encouraged trade so that the people of their empire can become prosperous. If we talk about the religion they followed Jainism, but They also patronized other religions like Buddhists, Hindus, and Muslims. They were the great patron of art and learning. Okay, but by the end of 10th century, Chalukyas crushed the power of Rashtrakutas and took over the control of their kingdom. In this way, Rashtrakuta Empire was destroyed. Okay, and their kingdom was captured by Chalukya rulers. So that was about the Rashtrakuta rulers. Today you have to write 5 points on your notebook about Rashtrakuta rulers. Thank you.